Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to quickly show you how you can redeem your mined Egon from the Eagle Network mining app. So I know some of us you've been mining the Eagle Network for some years now, and you've not been able to actually redeem your mined Egon. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can actually redeem your mined Egon. So Egon. So as you can see here, Eagle Mining. So click on Eagle Mining Network. So right now, this is my mined token. So Egon Inu Token mining. So currently, I'm running mining already. So and at the moment, this is what I have mined: 1,205.0690. So that is what I have mined at the moment. So right now, before you can redeem your mined Egon, what you are going to do is you have to install a recommended wallet. So the recommended wallet is the CryptoKara Wallet. So that is what you are going to use, or you are going to withdraw your Egon Inu into. I hope you get it right now. So that is the wallet that has been provided by the team so that you can withdraw your Egon Inu from the mining app into the wallet. So what are you going to do right now? You click on the recommended wallet, and then it will take you to Google Play Store for you to install the CryptoKara network. So all right, let's follow through. So as you can see CryptoKara Wallet. So click on it. So we are now on the Google Play Store. So as you can see, what we have here, CryptoKara network. So it's from the Eagle Network digital currency for phone. So you click on install and get it installed on your phone. So I'm going to click on install right now. So is installing already. So it's just approximately 29 megabytes should be enough for you to install the CryptoKara wallet. So I'm going to pause this video right now. So I will start it again once the installing finish. So all right, so it's already installed on the phone. So just click on open. So click on open. So it's also a decentralized wallet. So if you've not watched the video tutorial that I did on how to create a crypto wallet, so I did it on Trust Wallet, but it's still the same thing. It's still the same procedure. So kindly go and watch the video so that you can actually know how to also create a crypto wallet in this case. So just click on, you can scroll through, and then you click on skip as you have it here. So what are we going to do? We want to create a wallet, or you want to restore a wallet. So whichever one, but in this case just go with create wallet, because this is your first time of actually installing the CryptoKara app. So let's create a new wallet. So just click on create new wallet. So right now, back up your wallet now. In the next step, you will see secret phrase 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. So So it's asking you for you to tick this checklist. If I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. Understood? If I expose or share my secret phrase to anybody, my funds can be stolen. Understood? CryptoKara will never react or reach out to ask for your secret phrase. Understood? So what are you going to do right now? Just click on continue. Click on continue and then your 12 secret phrase will appear. So click on continue and your 12 secret phrase will appear. So right now I'm going to pause this video. If you've not watched the video I did on how to create a crypto wallet, kindly go and check my videos and look for how to create a crypto wallet and watch it. I use Trust Wallet, but it's still the same thing everywhere on every decentralized wallet. So I'm going to pause the video right now so I can create this wallet. So all right, so I've already created the wallet. I've already created the wallet. So this is the wallet. This is the CryptoKara wallet. So the CryptoKara wallet. So you are going to click on redeem. So click on redeem as you can see here. So click on redeem. So as you can see, uh, this is what I have mined over the years, although I left it for like almost a year that I did not mine anything. So, but right now I'm back. So, and this is what I have currently. So, and this is my mining ability. So, right now you click on phase two, miner phase two. So, that is where we are currently on the Eagle network. So, click on miner phase two. So right now you can see redeem ego, redeem ego. So I haven't redeemed anything at all. So you are going to click on redeem now. So click on redeem now. So it's going to take you to, so never mind, it was an ad from the Egon network app. So they are using that to generate some income for running the app. So actually, so right now I've clicked on redeem. So this, as you can see here, redeem request. So and then get your Egon Inu token address from the CryptoKara wallet. So this is my Ego point. This. So and my current redeem rate 1:1. So an available token to redeem. So this is my available token that I can redeem right now, 60.2749. That is the available token that I can redeem as at right now. So subsequently, you will have much more allowance for you to redeem the remaining part of what you've mined. But at first, you are able to redeem just 5%. So right now, let's go back to our CryptoKara wallet that we installed previously so that we can copy the Egon Inu token address that we have to paste here. So let's go back to our CryptoKara wallet. So right now, I'm in my CryptoKara wallet. So you are going to select, click on the Egon coin. Click on the Egon coin. Click on the Egon coin. And then you are going to click on receive because you want to receive your coin. So you click on receive and then you copy your Egon coin address. So you copy the Egon coin address by clicking on this. So copy it. So it's telling you send only Egon to this address. Send only Egon coin to this address. Sending any other coin or token to this address may result in the loss of your receiving. So coins will be received after 6 network confirmation. So as you all know that the instruction that you mostly get on anywhere you want to copy your wallet address so that you can readily be aware of what you are trying to do. So click on copy. So I've already copied the Egon coin address. So now go back to your Eagle mining network app. So and paste, hold, and then paste. So right now I've pasted. So you are going to click on redeem. Click on redeem, just as you can see here. Click on redeem, and mind you, you can only redeem 60.2749 at first, and that is the 5% of it. So click on redeem. So right now you are going to see alert, withdrawal is enabled for upgraded miners, after which you can redeem. Kindly wait for your turn. So right now, if you are not a bulk miner or you've not purchased Egon before, so you would have to wait for your turn. You have to wait for your turn. You have to so withdrawals are done turn by turn. So the bulk miners are actually the first consideration. So then the team miners. And in this case, I'm a team miner because I did not power up by purchasing more ego to add to my balance. So uh, it's only the bulk miners that are allowed. So the bulk miners are the ones that powered up by purchasing more ego directly, either with dollar, $1, $5, $10. So but in this case I was just mining, so I'm a team miner. I didn't power up. So I will be able to withdraw my own token by April 7th 2024. So April 7th 2024, that is 1 month to this time. So that is when I'll be able to make withdrawal or to redeem the coin. Hope you get it. So I'm just doing this video so that you can be prepared ahead. So but if you are a bulk miner, whether you've made a purchase of $1, $2, $5, you are eligible to make a withdrawal right now. So I hope you get it. Although I wanted to become a bulk miner, but I had an issue with my card, so I couldn't proceed with buying like $2 of the uh, Egon so that I can become a bulk miner. So I hope this video has actually helped you and clarify the processes in which you can withdraw your Egon coin that you've mined. So kindly give us a thumbs up if you actually just joined this channel or viewing this channel for the first time. Kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can get alerted of our new videos when they are uploaded. Until next time, bye.